We started doing the devil's work for them, killing each other in record numbers, distrusting our own, turning our backs on our brothers and our sisters. Willie Lynch in full effect, dividing us by age, by skin tone, by gender, by class. And then it seeped into the music. Low vibrations, weaponized frequencies, beats we danced to while lyrics told us to kill, to degrade, and destroy ourselves. What you hear, you repeat. What you repeat, you believe. And what you believe, you become. They didn't need whips anymore. Now they use the courts, the jails, the school to prison pipeline. Mass incarceration became the new Jim Crow. Millions of us locked away, disconnected from families, from purpose, and from power. You want to erase a people? You let them destroy themselves from within. And family, that's what we've been doing. Now, we see the trick of the enemy. We know what's been done to us. And more importantly, we know what we've done to ourselves. And it's time to stop. Stop blaming, stop shaming, stop destroying, start healing, start building, start unifying. J. Edgar Hoover said it himself, the greatest threat to America is Negro unity. You want to know why? Because when we unite, we are unstoppable. So now Black men, stand up. Talk to these young brothers. Be the fathers, the leaders, the kings you were born to be. And Black women, keep holding that line, nurturing the nation and birthing the revolution. Together, let's build businesses. Let's build wealth. Let's build families. Let's build our future. And let's stop doing the work of the enemy and start doing the work of our ancestors, because it ends.
So, guys, I would say that was probably one of the most important videos that I've done. I try to do videos that I believe that we need to wake up. I do Black History Month spotlights all the time, and this was something that's on my heart, and I was able to really articulate it in a way that I think is very important. And so I do these Black History spotlights. If you go to my page, anywhere on I Am Constance Carter, I'll post them. But I think it's really important. And that's the reason why it's so important that we support each other. We support Black-owned businesses, because this is what's been done to us. Like I felt like I had to get really graphic. You know, they beat us until our skin came off. They ate Nat Turner's skull, or his body. They cannibalized him. They would, like I said in the video, they would hang us. They would burn us alive. They would put our genitals in our mouths to show us as an example, set an example. So make America great again is that's what they mean by when they say we want to make America great again. That's in their mind is when America was great, is when we were at our most suffering. And so we have been, I believe that we've been asleep in a slumber over the last 50 years. We have the idea that everything was great, that racism was over. Hey, we got a Black president. Must not be any racism. And because we have a Black president, we are being punished for it today. We're being punished for it. And so all of the things that we see, I just signed a petition this morning about the Smithsonian. They want to get rid of the African American Museum. Luckily, it's privately owned, but it is a Smithsonian. And J.D. Vance is on the board of the Smithsonian. And so what they want to do is they want to get rid of Black history, because they say it's divisive. But what it is it's history. And so I started doing these Black History spotlights in February because of what happened with the administration and what they've been doing to try to remove history from our schools. I started doing them, and so because I want the real history to be told, because even though they were teaching Black history in schools, we didn't know about Black history. I wasn't taught real history until I started to GTS. Google that shit. And I talk about that on my TED Talk. Google that shit, GTS. If you haven't seen my TED Talk, I actually reposted it on my page today. If you haven't seen my TED Talk, I did my TED Talk in 2020. It was a TEDx. It has about 440,000 views.